everyone. Today I am going to teach you lesson number third. Question first. Question first है the giant saw a most wonderful sight. What did he see? Answer है the giant saw that through a little hole in the wall the children had entered into the garden. They were sitting in the branches of the trees. In every tree that he could see, there was a little child, and the trees were glad to have the children back again, that they had covered themselves with blossom and were waving their hands gently above the children's heads. The birds were flying and twittering with delight, and flowers were laughing. जो जाइंट था उसने देखा कि जब बच्चे वहां पर आ गए तो बर्ड्स हैं वो चहकने लग गई और जो फूल हैं वो खिलने लग गए और ट्री जो ग्रीनरी थी वो वहां पर वापस आ गई. सेकेंड है व्हाट डिड ही रियलाइज ऑन सीइंग इट. आंसर है he realized that he himself was to blame for the year-round winter in his garden. He called himself selfish. उसने कहा कि मैं कितना सेल्फिश हूँ, मैं किसी को आने नहीं देता था, लेकिन बच्चों के आने से यहाँ पर किस तरह से चेंज आ गया. क्वेश्चन सेकेंड है why was it still winter in one corner of the garden. Answer है only in one corner of the garden there was winter still. The reason was that a little boy could not climb the trees like other boys. He stood under trees weeping. जो वहाँ पर बॉय था वो ट्री पे नहीं चढ़ रहा था और रो रहा था. थर्ड क्वेश्चन है डिस्क्राइब द फर्स्ट मीटिंग of the little boy and the giant. In the first meeting of the boy and giant, the giant lifted him gently and put him in the branch of the tree. The tree suddenly broke into flowers and the birds began to sing. The child kissed the giant. जैसे ही जाइंट ने उस छोटे से बच्चे को ऊपर बिठाया जो फ्लावर थे वो खिल गए और जो ट्रीज थे वो हरे हो गए. क्वेश्चन फोर्थ है डिस्क्राइब देयर सेकंड मीटिंग आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग इंटरवल. आंसर है इन द सेकंड मीटिंग आफ्टर सो मैनी ईयर्स द जाइंट सो wounds on the little boy's palm and feet. He became furious. He wanted to kill the man who had wounded the child, but the boy said that those were wounds of love. जैसे ही जाइंट ने सोचा कि ये चोट किसी ने दी है, लेकिन बॉय ने कहा ये तो प्यार है. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है द जाइंट ले डेड all covered with the white blossom. What does this sentence indicate about the once selfish giant? Answer है this indicate that the giant had been blessed by Lord Christ himself. He was neither cruel nor selfish, so Christ forgave him and took him to paradise. जो जाइंट था वो लॉर्ड क्रिस्ट हिमसेल्फ था, बच्चा था खुद, जो उस जाइंट को पैराडाइज यानी स्वर्ग में ले गया था.